Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I mix my Lipton iced tea southern sweet tea. I got these from the Dollar Tree. I did a haul the other day and I showed you guys that I got them both of them from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna make this picture to see if it gives me the same effect as the one that I got in my house. So I just want to see by mixing this, if this whole entire pack is enough for this whole entire jar, because normally I use this spoon to put in here and get like 2 to 3 scoops to make a whole batch of iced tea. In this picture I don't put sugar or anything, so I just want to see if this pack of Lipton sweet tea will be equal to what I normally do. Okay, and plus I'm pretty sure a lot of people will want to know as well. So that's what we are going to do today. So I'm gonna open this up. Yeah, I'm gonna open it up and put it in, and then I'm gonna make sure you use cold water, guys, when you're making this tea. So this is it right here. So looks about right. It's about the same. So I'm trying to mix it up to see if I get the same effect, if it's sweet. So it does, guys. Yes, it does. Yep. So, yep. So guys, it is true what they say, it's sweet and iced tea mix. So I wanted to see if what they say matches what, when I make the picture of iced tea. So it does. So I have this lemon flavor, which I won't be doing another video of it because I'm already doing a video of this sweet tea already. So yes guys, if you see this at the Dollar Tree, definitely get it. It worth the dollar, So yes guys, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. So I'm about to chill this one, and it's gonna be hot today anyway, so this is a perfect tea to make for that. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye bye.